My name is Gualberto. I am a mechanic here at the monorail shop at Walt Disney World. I came as a little kid, and it's almost kind of coming full circle to come as a kid and then having an opportunity to actually work here. So I have my father-in-law and brother-in-law that work here. We tend to work together on a daily basis. We work well together. We've always helped each other out outside of work, and it's good to help each other out within our job. The fact that we're able to work together, where can you do that? I really haven't had another job where I was able to work with my family. I really feel proud actually coming in and working on the monorails and then coming to the parks and actually have my son so excited to ride the monorail or sit in the captain's seat saying that, hey, my dad worked on that monorail. What I do matters in the fact of this train is going out and people are going to be riding on it. Our leadership gets definitely top-notch. They always get what we need. We're never without. Anything that we may request is always on hand. It's making a difference because we're always finding new ways to make things better. Only at Disney can you work on monorails, work with your family, come in with a smile, and leave with a smile.